Okay, so first I started off by, of course, by going to Google, and from there I went to Leonardo AI, which is the perfect AI generation software that I found in creating characters. And I simply, as you can see, opened up an account and logged in. So inside Leonardo AI, I went to image creation, and from there I got prompted to taking a quick tour of creation by Leonardo AI, and I said, let's go for it. So at the top, you will see the prompt bar where you can type up your description, something simple like a car, or something detailed like a 1967 Chevrolet, driving down Las Vegas streets during a magical cotton candy sunset in the horizon. Once you entered the prompt, you'll be able to click the generate button to create your image. There's also all these presets on the top left corner where you can choose from different options to make it easier to create all sorts of images, including realistic or animated figures. And that's what we're talking about here, is creating that avatar from scratch based on your description of the prompt. So please don't hesitate to put your imagination out there and describe it word for word. They have these two cool functions. One is called using image guidance. This one helps you achieve consistent characters and to reference the style or content of an image. And then there's the other one called use elements, which is used to steer the aesthetics of your image in various ways. There is the option of not doing anything and just use AI to create random prompts for you, or if you want to do a bit of work but get lazy, then you can use AI to improve your generated images. And finally, you can view the intro guide at any time by clicking the question mark icon. So now, let's try a prompt to create an avatar like me. Well, I don't think it will be exactly like me, because God knows how this AI mind works. However, I can assure you that the prompt text will be the same. So I typed up my command, which you can find in the description, in the prompt bar I showed you earlier, and went over to the top left where it says model preset and selected the type of generation I want, which in this case was film. Under contrast, I picked medium under generation mode. I settled for fast because quality is paid for, and similarly under image dimensions I picked medium since large is paid for as well. There is also private mode, which I used, and once I clicked it you can see the different types of memberships you can get. Once I was satisfied with my selection, I hit generate, which used up 14 tokens, and you can see the number of my tokens went down. Then I waited a few seconds. Well, I guess this one is taking about 15 seconds. Then when the image was generated, this was the result, which is not bad with the graphics and the background as well. They nailed it. So yes, this is how I generated myself, and with a few prompts now I'm going to take you guys through a little bit more on how you can change the settings and get different results. Next, I kind of wanted to switch things up a little, so I changed the style to anime general, the model to anime and orientation, and this is what I got. Pretty cool, right? After that, I just kept messing around and creating different characters and using up my tokens until I ran out, and then this savior shows up to remind me I am almost out of tokens. And what? Are you going to give me tokens? Moving on, please go ahead, create your account, and don't hesitate to test out your imagination. You might be surprised and inspired by what you can create with the help of Leonardo AI. This is how I came about to life. However, that's not all my voice, is a different story. And if you want to learn how English came to be my first language, then you can watch this video to find out.